I'm going to show you guys how you can enhance bad quality audio no matter how you recorded it, whether it was on the cell phone or if it was in a windy location. I'm going to show you how you can enhance that audio and turn it into studio quality audio in one single click. All right, so all you have to do is come over to this website called Adobe Podcast. You go to podcast.adobe, okay? And then you go up to the tools and click on Enhance Speech. Now this tool is going to enhance your speech and make voice recordings sound as if they were recorded in a professional podcasting studio. I'm going to show you how good this tool works right now. Let's go ahead and choose a file. I'm just going to upload an old clip from my daughter's playing. This is a clip which was actually from a video that I recorded on my phone. It has terrible audio. So just like that, it's ready to go. Now, if we look over here, I just uploaded the two audios onto CapCut, and I just want to show you the difference between them. So on the top line, this is the original audio with a lot of clipping. As you can see, any of the yellow is clipping. And so you can notice right away that it's removed a lot of the clipping from the audio. Then you can also see all these gaps on the enhanced version, all these gaps in between the talking. That's because it's removed all that background noise. See how this is almost solid all the way through? That's all background noise in between the talking. The peaks are the talking, and all this solid is just background noise. So as you can see, it's removed a lot of the background noise, and it's also almost minimized all of the clipping that's going on with the audio. So first, I'll just play the regular one.
Hi girls, Daddy loves you so much. Red baby, Daddy loves you more than anything in the whole wide world. Babe.
Now let me play the enhanced version.
Hi girls, Daddy loves you so much. Red baby, Daddy loves you more than anything in the whole wide world. Babe, look at me.
All right, so as you can see, there's a huge difference between the two. Let's just try one more part. We'll start it right here. Okay, here is the original audio.
There's my pretty girl. There's Daddy's pretty girl.
Okay, now let's see it enhanced.
Strong baby. There's my pretty girl. There's Daddy's pretty girl.
So as you can clearly see, it is much better. And the way that it's done this all is just through AI. So all you have to do is just upload your audio and it will instantly do it for you in the click of a button. You don't need to know anything. You don't have to have any technical know-how. It's that simple. And the tool is completely for free, which is awesome. So if we go back and look at this, if we look right here, we could see that it is a 30-minute max duration. So you can upload any audio that's up to 30 minutes long, and you can enhance the audio up to 30 minutes in the click of a button instantly. You get 1 hour total daily limit, 500 megabyte max size, and the audio files that it accepts is WAV, MP3, AAC, FLAC, OGG, OGA, M4A. And if your audio for whatever reason is not in one of these formats, all you have to do is come over to a website like this, Convert.io, and you can just convert it for free. Convert whatever audio file you have into one that is accepted by Adobe right here. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how you can enhance audio, poor quality audio, and make it sound as if you recorded it in a studio. There you go. So I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.